Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. I am Anjana from LearnoHub, the free learning platform where you can study math, science and SST absolutely free at learnohub.com. In today's class, we are going to discuss ICSE Class 10 Maths Chapter 24, Measures of Central Tendency. We have already started the chapter. We have studied about arithmetic mean, how to find arithmetic mean of tabulated data using the direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. Here we will be studying how to find the arithmetic mean of group data using direct method, shortcut method and the step deviation method. We will be solving questions from exercise 24B. Are you all ready with your pen and papers? Let's begin. With an example, let us understand the mean of group data, how to find the mean of group data using the direct method. Okay, here we have class intervals and frequencies given 20 to 30, 10, 30 to 46, 40 to 58, 50 to 60, 12, 60 to 75 and 70 to 80, that is 9. Okay, so these are the frequencies for different class interval. Now, when it comes to finding the mean of a group data, you have a term that is mid value. Okay, we will take the mid value of all the intervals and this is called class mark. So, for each interval, you will have to find class mark and class mark is represented as x. Okay, so here mid value or class mark is the x. How to find the mid value? Now, in the table, you will be having class interval, frequency, then comes x. X is the mid value or the class mark. Then you will multiply and find the product of frequency and the class mark. Okay, so for class intervals, the intervals are 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. So these are the intervals. The corresponding frequencies are 10, 6, 8, 12, 5, 9. Okay. To find the class mark, what you have to do is you have to take the sum of lower limit and upper limit and divide it by 2. Okay. So class mark is equal to, here I'll write, class mark is equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Okay. What is the class mark for the interval 20 to 30? 20 plus 30. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, that is 50 by 2 and is equal to 25. Okay, this is 25. Class mark is 25. Next, 30 plus 40 is 70. 70 divided by 2, 35. 40 plus 50, you get 90. 90 by 2 is 45. 50 plus 60 is 110. By 2, you get 55. 60 plus 70 is 130. 130 divided by 2 will be equal to 65. Then 70 plus 80 is equal to 150. 150 divided by 2, you will be getting 75. Okay. Next, take the product in order to get fx. Okay. 10 into 25, 250. 35 into 6 is equal to 210. 45 into 8. 45 into 8 is equal to 360. 55 into 12 is 660. Next, 65 into 5, 325. 75 into 9, 675. So, these are the fx values. Now, we know that the mean is equal to mean x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. So, we have to find the sum of frequencies and sum of fx. Okay, what is the sum of frequency? When you add all these, you will be getting, this is 20, 30, 36, 36, 45, 50. Okay, sigma f is equal to 50. When you add all these values, that is fx values, you will be getting 2480 80. Okay, sigma fx will be equal to 2480. On adding this, you get this value. Sigma fx is 2480. Okay. Now, what is the mean? Mean will be equal to sigma fx 2480 divided by sigma f, which is 50. Zeros can be cancelled. 248 divided by 5, that is equal to 496. Okay, 49.6 is your answer. So, this is how to find the mean of a group data using the direct method. Remember to find class mark. When the interval is given, you have to find the class mark. Class mark is represented by x. X into frequency, you get fx. Then the normal thing, that is summation fx divided by summation f. Okay, 49.6 is the final answer. Let us take the same example, finding the mean of group data using the shortcut method. Okay, in shortcut method, what you have? You will be having the assumed mean. Remember, you have studied this in the previous class. We have discussed what assumed mean is, then how to find deviation. Everything we have discussed, just we will revise this. Okay, so we have the data. Class intervals and frequencies 20 to 30, 10, 30 to 46, 40 to 58, 50 to 60, 12, 60 to 75, 70 to 89. Okay, we have already calculated the class mark previous. Remember, using the direct method, we have calculated the class mark. You know how to find the class mark. Taking the sum of upper and lower limit and dividing by 2, you get the class mark. So, these are the class marks for the intervals. Next, what is the assumed mean? We will be choosing any one value from this. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 values. We have to choose a middle value. It is not necessary, but still for convenience, we will be choosing middle value. Either the third one or the fourth one. Here I will be choosing the third value, that is 45. Now subtract this 45. X minus a gives the deviation. Okay. We have to subtract this 45 from all the x values. 25 minus 45, you will be getting minus 20. 35 minus 45, 35 minus 45 is minus 10. 45 minus 45, 0. 55 minus 45 is 10. 65 minus 45 is 20. 75 minus 45 is 30. What is the next step? We have to find f into d. How to find f into d? Just multiply the frequencies with the corresponding d values, the deviation. 10 into minus 20, that is equal to minus 200. 6 into minus 10, minus 60. 8 into 0, 0. 12 into 10, 120. 5 into 20, 100. 9 into 30, 270. Now we know the sum of frequencies is equal to 12 plus 8, 20, 30. You will be getting sum of frequencies equal to 50. Sigma f is equal to 50. Next we have to find sigma fd. What is sigma fd? What is the formula to find mean? We have in assumed mean method, mean is equal to a plus sigma fd divided by sigma f. So, this is the formula to find mean. We have studied in the previous class. Remember? We have studied how to find the mean of tabulated data. In that case, x values and f values were directly given. Here we have to find x values. So, the formula is same, assumed mean a plus sigma fd divided by sigma f. Here the assumed mean we have taken 45. Okay. Now, the sum of fd. Here we have negative values, minus 200 and minus 60. So, we will be getting sigma fd is equal to minus 200 minus 60 is minus 260. Positive values, 120 plus 100 is 220, 220 plus 270, you will be getting 490. We have to find sigma fd, that is minus 260 plus 490. You will be getting 490 minus 260 is 230. Okay, 230 is sigma fd. Sigma fd is equal to 230. Now, put the values. Mean is equal to assumed mean 45 plus 230 divided by sum of frequencies is 50 equal to 45 plus zeros can be cancelled. 23 divided by 5, that is equal to 4.6. Okay, 45 plus 4.6 is 49.6. The same answer we have got when we have done this with the direct method. You remember? 49.6 was the answer we got with the direct method. Whatever be the method, we will be getting the mean same. So, using shortcut method also we got 49.6. Okay. Next, let us do the same problem with the step deviation method. Okay, here we have the class interval and frequencies are the same. 20 to 30, 10, 30 to 46, 40 to 58, 50 to 60, 12, 60 to 75 and 70 to 89. We have the class intervals, frequencies, x, class mark we have determined. Okay, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Then what is the assumed mean? Assumed mean is equal to 45. We have to find t. How to find t? T is equal to d divided by I, where d is the deviation. So, here we have 45 as the assumed mean. 25 minus 45 is equal to minus 20 and divided by I. What is I here? The number, the maximum number with which all the digits, all the d values can be divided. So, here d values first for 25 minus 45, you will be getting minus 20, minus 20. Then this is 35 minus 35 divided by 45, that is minus 10. Then 45 minus 45 is 0, 55 minus 45 is 10, 65 minus 45 is 20, 75 minus 45 is 30. Okay, these are the d values. Dividing with, when you check all these, the maximum number with which all these number can be divided is equal to 10. So, divide each with 10, or you can just check this like this way, that is the class interval or the class size. Class size is equal to 10. So, dividing with 10. What do we get? Here cancelling we get minus 2, this is minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. These are the values. So, what is the next step? We have to multiply f and t. 10 into minus 2 minus 20. 6 into minus 1 minus 6, 8 into 0 0, 12 into 1 12, 5 into 2 10, 9 into 3 is 27. Okay. Next, here we have taken I as 10. What is sigma f? Sigma f, sum of all the frequencies we know is equal to 50. Next, we need sigma ft. What is sigma ft? Sum of all these. Minus 20, minus 6 plus 0 plus 12 plus 10 plus 27. How much do we get? Here, sigma ft is equal to minus 20 minus 6, that is minus 26. Positive values 12 plus 10, 22, 22 plus 27, that is equal to 49. Okay, you will be getting 23. Sigma ft is equal to 23. Now, what is the formula using step deviation method? Mean is equal to A plus sigma ft divided by sigma f into I. Okay, sigma ft is 23. Then A is equal to, assumed mean is 45. 45 plus 23 divided by sum of all the frequencies is 50 into I is equal to 10. Cancelling, you get 45 plus 23 divided by 5 is equal to 4.6. So, the final answer is 49.6. So, this is the same answer what we got when we did with the direct method and shortcut method. So, the mean will be same whatever the method is, method becomes simpler. Compared to direct method, you have to do more multiplications. Here the multiplications, the product are simpler ones. Okay. Let us now solve problems from exercise 24B. Here we have the first problem, question 1 of exercise 24B. The following table gives the ages of 50 students of a class find the arithmetic mean of their ages. Okay, so age group is given between 16 to 18. Okay, then between 18 to 20, 20 to 22, 22 to 24 and 24 to 26. The age group is given. Okay, between 16 to 18 we have 2 students, 18 to 20 we have 7 students, 20 to 22 we have 21 students, 22 to 24 we have 17 students and 24 to 26 we have 3 students. Okay, so we need to find the arithmetic mean of their ages. Let's construct the table. First, age in years, we have 16 to 18, 18 to 20, 20 to 22, 22 to 24, then 24 to 26. Okay, number of students is given, number of students is the frequency. Here, the first age group, we have 2 students, second age group, 7, then 21, 17 and 3. Okay, here we need to find the mid value. Mid value is taken as x. 16 and 18. What is the mid value? 16 plus 18 divided by 2. That is 34 divided by 2, which is equal to 70. Okay, then 18 and 20. What is the mid value? The number which lies between 18 and 20. We have 19. 20 to 22. 20 plus 22, 42. 42 by 2, which is 21. 22 to 24, we have 23. 24 to 26, we get 25. Okay. Next, we have to find x into f. That is the mid value into frequency. Here, 17 into 2, we get 34. 19 into 7, which is 133. 21 into 21, 441. 23 into 17, that is 391. And 25 into 3 will be getting 75. Okay. Now what we need to find arithmetic mean? Mean is equal to summation of x into f divided by summation of f, where f is a frequency. xf we have determined and we also know the number of students. Here it is given the total number of students is 50, which means summation of f will be equal to 50. Okay, now we have to add all these to get summation of xf. 34 plus 133 plus 441 plus 391 plus 75 will be getting 1074. Summation xf is equal to 1074. Okay, so we got summation xf and summation f. Then what is arithmetic mean? Put the value 1074 divided by summation of f is 50. Okay, this can be written as 1074 divided by this 50. We are removing a 0, that is the decimal point is given here, divided by 10. Then you will be having a 5. Okay, 107.4 divided by 5, you will be getting 21.48. Okay, therefore the arithmetic mean is equal to 21.48. In this type of questions where the age group is given or some interval is given, we will have to find the mid value first. After finding the mid value, take the frequency, multiply mid value and frequency to get xf. Here x denotes the mid value. Okay, this is mid value. Mid value. Okay, then as usual take summation xf and summation f. Find the mean. Clear? Let's move on to the second problem. Question 3 of exercise 24B. The following are the marks obtained by 70 boys in a class test. Marks are given and the number of boys. Number of boys here is a frequency. Between 30 to 40, there are 10 boys. 40 to 50, 12 boys. 50 to 60, 14. 60 to 70, 12 boys. 70 to 89 boys, 80 to 97 and 90 to 100, 6 boys. Okay, we have to calculate the mean by using the shortcut method, that is assumed mean method. Then step deviation method. We are not using the direct method in this case. We have to find the mean with shortcut method and step deviation method. First, let us find the mean with shortcut method. Okay, so construct the table. In this table, we requires the marks. Okay, that is the interval given from which we will find the mid value x. Okay, then we need frequency. Frequency is the number of boys. So this is F. After which we will be finding assumed mean. You have to determine the assumed mean from which we can find the difference. Difference D is equal to X minus A. Okay, we have to subtract the assumed mean from the mid values we obtained. After that, we will be multiplying the frequency F and the difference D. Okay, this will help us calculate the mean later. Okay, so what are the intervals? Here we have 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90 and 90 to 100. So these are the intervals. Okay, now number of boys. Number of boys is a frequency F. Here we have 10, 12, 14, 12, 9, 7, 6. Next we have to find the mid value in each case. 30 to 40. 30 to 40, how to get the mid value? 30 plus 40 divided by 2. You will be getting 70 by 2 and that is 35. Okay, 40 to 50, the mid value will be 45. 50 to 60, 55. 60 to 70, 65. 70 to 80, 75. 80 to 90, 85. 90 to 100, 95. Okay, next we have to find the assumed mean. How to find the assumed mean? Here we have the mid values. Okay, we have to take the middle one. Total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 values. We have to take the value which comes in the middle. 3 from here and 3 from below. 65 is the middle value. Okay. So 65 is the middle value. Now this middle value will be subtracting from each mid values. Okay. Here A is equal to 65. Assumed mean is 65. Now subtract the 65 from each. That is 35 minus 65. 35 minus 65, the difference will be equal to minus 30. Okay. 45 minus 65. The difference will be minus 20. Then 55 minus 65, the difference is minus 10. 65 minus 65, here you will be getting 0. 75 minus 65, it is plus 10. 85 minus 65, you will be getting 20. 95 minus 65, you will be getting 30. So, we have determined the D values, that is the difference. We know the frequency and the difference, so you can find easily what F into D is. Okay, 10 into minus 30, minus 300. 12 into minus 20, minus 240. 14 into minus 10, that is minus 140. Next, 12 into 0, 0. Next, 9 into 10, 90. After that, 7 into 20, that is 140. 6 into 30. 6 into 30 is equal to 180. Okay. So, we have to find what summation FD is equal to. Okay. Here, this minus 140 and plus 140 can be cancelled. Then, what we are having? We will have to add all this. So, negative part you take first. Minus 300 minus 240. Minus 300 minus 240 will be equal to minus 540. Okay. Positive part, here we have 90 and 180. Therefore, plus 270. Okay. Minus 540 plus 270, we will be getting minus 270. Okay, so summation FD is equal to minus 270. What about summation F? Summation F here is equal to 70. Total number of boys is equal to 70. Or just by adding these values, we will be getting summation F is equal to 70. Okay, now how to find mean in this case? Mean will be equal to A plus summation FD divided by summation F. This is how you will be determining using the shortcut method. Now, what is the assumed mean? Assumed mean value here we have, that is 65. Okay, assumed mean is 65. 65 plus summation FD. Summation FD is equal to minus 270 divided by summation F is 70. Okay, zeros can be cancelled. We are having 65 minus 27 divided by 7. You will be getting minus 3.86. Okay, minus 3.86 is the value. 65 minus 3.86. On subtracting, you will be getting 61.14. So, 61.14 is the mean calculated using the shortcut method. So, here we have used the shortcut method to calculate the mean. We have to take an assumed mean from the mid value. We are assuming a mean, which is assumed mean, after which you will be finding difference into frequencies. You will be getting FD, take the summation FD separately and summation F, putting the formula to find mean using the shortcut method. Assumed mean A plus summation FD divided by summation F, you will be getting final answer 61.14. So, this is a required mean. Clear? So, next we will be finding using the step deviation method. For step deviation method, here we have the table. We need marks, number of boys, that is the frequency, mid value X, then A, assumed mean value, T. What is T? T is equal to the difference divided by class size I. Here difference will be X minus A divided by class size I. Okay. Then we will be finding FD. So, marks, again we have 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. Okay. Number of boys, frequency 10, 12, 14, 12, 9, 7, 6. Next we need X. X also we have determined in the previous part to find using the shortcut method. Here 30 and 40. 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. Okay. Next, what is the assumed mean? Assumed mean was equal to 65. Then we also had determined the difference. Here in this case, the difference 35 minus 65, we got minus 30. This minus 30 divided by I, class size. What is the class size in this case? Class size is equal to 10. That is upper limit minus lower limit. Class size I is equal to upper limit minus lower limit, and that is equal to, if you take any case, 30 to 40 interval, 40 minus 30, that is 10. Here again in this interval, class size is 10. Here also class size is 10. So, 10 is the class size. I value is equal to 10. So, we have to divide the number with 10. Here we will be getting minus 30 divided by 10, which is minus 3. Then minus 20 divided by 10 equal to minus 2. Here minus 10 divided by 10, that is minus 1. 0 divided by 10 equal to 0. Next 10 divided by 10, 1. 20 by 10 equal to 2 and 30 by 10 equal to 3. Okay. Next FT, just multiplying the frequency and the T value that we have obtained. 10 into minus 3 is minus 30. 12 into minus 2 minus 24. 14 into minus 1 minus 14. Then 12 into 0, 0. 9 into 1, 9. 7 into 2, 14. 6 into 3, 18. So, here we need summation FT. What is summation FT? Here again minus 14 plus 14 can be removed. Minus 30 minus 24 is equal to minus 54. Positive part 9 and 18. So, plus 27. Minus 54 plus 27, you will be getting minus 27. Summation ft is equal to minus 27. What is summation f? Summation f. Sum of all the frequencies is equal to same thing, that is 70. Okay. Now what is the formula to find mean using step deviation method? In this case, mean is equal to assumed mean A plus summation ft divided by summation f into class size I. Okay. Now put the value. What is assumed mean? Assumed mean here again it is 65. So 65 plus summation ft, that is equal to minus 27, divided by summation f is 70 into class size 10. 0 can be cancelled. Minus 27 divided by 7, the same calculation we have done, and adding 65 to it, you will be getting 61.14 as the final answer. Same calculation. Okay, clear? So, the process or the calculations will become easier when you use the step shortcut method or the step deviation method. Okay, so using the direct method, it will be taking a longer time. Shortcut method and step deviation method are much more easier. Okay, next problem number 3, question 4 of exercise 24B. Find mean by step deviation method. Here they are asking you to find the mean using the step deviation method. Okay, class interval and frequencies are given. In the interval 63 to 70, the frequency is 9. 70 to 77, frequency is 13. 77 to 84, 27. 84 to 91, 38. 91 to 98, 32. 98 to 105, 16. And 105 to 112, 15. Okay, so let's construct the table. In the table, you need the class interval, frequency, mid value x, assumed mean, then t, and we have to find ft. Okay, so the class intervals are 63 to 70, in which the frequency is 9. 70 to 77, the frequency is 13. 77 to 84, frequency is equal to 27. 84 to 91, frequency is 38. 91 to 98, the frequency is 32. 98 to 105, frequency is 16. And 105 to 112, the frequency is equal to 15. Okay. Next, we need the mid value. How to get the mid value? We'll be adding these two numbers and divided by 2. So, first we have 63 and 70. 63 plus 70 divided by 2. What do we get? 133 divided by 2, and that is equal to 66.5. Okay, 66.5. Next, 70 plus 77 divided by 2, you will be getting 73.5. 77 to 84. 77 plus 84 divided by 2, you will be getting 80.5. 84 to 91, you will be getting 87.5. 91 to 98, you will be getting 94.5. 98 to 105, you will be getting 101.5. 105 to 112, you will be getting 108.5. So, these are the mid values, that is the x values. Now, we need the assumed mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are total 7 values, and the fourth value will be the assumed mean. So, here the assumed mean is equal to 87.5. 87.5 is the assumed mean. Next, we have to subtract x and a, that is x minus a we have to find, and divide with the class size. Here what is the class size? Here what is the class size? Class size is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, take any one interval. 63 to 70 is our first interval. Upper limit is 70 and the lower limit is 63. 70 minus 63, you will be getting 7. Okay, so the class size I is equal to 7. Okay, first in order to get T, we have to subtract assumed mean A from the mid value X and then divide with I, which is the class size. So take the first set of values. Here we have 66.5 and A is equal to 87.5. Okay, 66.5 minus 87.5 divided by I is equal to 7. And that is equal to 66.5 minus 87.5, you will be getting minus 21. So minus 21 divided by 7, which is minus 3. Okay. Next, 73.5 minus 87.5, you will be getting minus 14. Minus 14 divided by 7, and that is minus 2. Next, 80.5 minus 87.5 is equal to minus 7 divided by 7, and that is minus 1. 87.5 minus 87.5 is 0. 0 by 7 is equal to 0. Okay. Next, 94.5 minus 87.5, you will be getting 7 divided by 7, that is 1. 101.5 minus 87.5 is equal to 14. 14 divided by 7 will be equal to 2. 108.5 minus 87.5, you will be getting 21. 21 divided by 7 will be 3. Okay. So we have obtained T values. Now we have to find F into T. Okay. First frequency is 9. 9 into minus 3 is equal to minus 27. Next, 13 into minus 2 is minus 26. 27 into minus 1, minus 27. 38 into 0, 0. 32 into 1, 32. 16 into 2, 32. 15 into 3, 45. Okay. Next, we will be adding this to find summation FT. Summation FT. Okay. So, adding this, you will be getting 29. So, summation FT is equal to 29. Okay. We have A is equal to 87.5. Summation FT is equal to 29. What is summation F? Summation F. Sum of the frequencies we have to find. Summation F will be 9 plus 13 plus 27 plus 38 plus 32 plus 16 plus 15. When you add, you will be getting 150. Okay, 150 is summation F. Now, we have mean is equal to A plus summation FT divided by summation F into I. Okay, I is the class size. Put the values. A, here it is 87.5 plus summation FT is 29 divided by summation F is 150 into I value. I value is 7. Okay. So, when you calculate this part, you will be getting 1.35 plus here you have 87.5. The final answer on adding, you will be getting 88.85. Okay. So, the required mean is equal to 88.85. Understood what we have done? So, same as the question we have done just before. Here we have used a step deviation method. Okay. So, be careful while dealing with these numbers. So, this is it. Problem 4, question 5 of exercise 24B. The mean of the following frequency distribution is 21, 1 by 7. Find the value of F. So, the mean is given in a mixed fraction form. We have to convert it into improper fraction. Class intervals and frequencies are given. 0 to 10, it is 8. 10 to 20, 22. 20 to 30, 31. 30 to 40, F. And 40 to 50, 2. Okay, so let's construct the table. In the table, just we need the class interval, frequency, mid value and fx. Okay, so here the class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. So frequencies are 8, 22, 31, f is a variable and we have to find f value and we have 2. Okay, next mid values 0 and 10, the mid value is 5, 10 to 20, 15, 20 to 30, 25, 30 to 40, 35 and 40 to 50, 45. Okay, next we have to find fx. Just multiplying 8 into 5, 40, 22 into 15, you will be getting 330, 31 into 25, that is equal to 775. F into 35 is 35F. 2 into 45, you will be getting 90. Okay, so we have to find summation F and summation Fx. What is summation F? 8 plus 22 is 30, 30 plus 31, 61, 61 plus 2, 63, 63 plus F. Next, adding all these, that is 40 plus 330 plus 775 plus 90 plus 35 F. You will be getting 1235. Okay, 1235 plus 35F. So we got summation Fx and summation F. Now what is given? Given that mean is equal to 21 1 by 7. 21 1 by 7 when converted into mixed fraction to improper fraction. 21 into 7 you will be getting 147. 147 plus 1 is 148. 148 divided by 7. This is how you convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Multiply this and add this 1. Okay, 21 into 7 plus 1 divided by denominator will be the same, that is 7. Okay, you will be getting 148 divided by 7. We have mean equal to summation Fx divided by summation F. Here summation Fx is equal to 1235 plus 35F divided by summation F is 63 plus F. Okay, 63 plus F. Now both these are equal. We'll be equating 148 divided by 7 is equal to 1235 plus 35F divided by 63 plus F. Next step, cross multiplying. 148 into 63 plus F is equal to 7 into 1235 plus 35 F. Okay, so first multiply 148 and 63. 148 into 63. 8 3s are 24, 4 3s are 12, 14, 3 1s are 3, 4. Okay, 148 into 6 you will be getting 888 on adding 4, 12, 13, 9. Okay, so 9324 plus 148F is equal to, now multiplying 1235 with 7, you will be getting 35, 24, 16, 8645 plus 7 into 35F. You will be getting 245F. Okay, 245F. We need the F value. So take all the F containing terms to one side and the numerals on the other side. So 245F minus 148F is equal to 9324 minus 8645. Okay, 245F minus 148F, you will be getting 97F is equal to, On subtracting this, you will be getting 679. Okay. We are having 97F is equal to 679. Therefore, F value equal to 679 divided by 97. 679 divided by 97, the final answer will be 7. Okay. Therefore, the F value is equal to 7. We have determined the F value. Understood what are the steps that are followed? Okay. You can solve this using the shortcut method or the step deviation method. Make changes as required. Okay. Understood this? Problem number 5, question 8 of exercise 24B. If the mean of the following observation is 54, find the value of P. Mean is given, we have to find the value of P. Class and frequency 0 to 27, 20 to 40 P, 40 to 60, 10, 60 to 89 and 80 to 100, it is 30. So, in the table, we need class, frequency, mid values and fx. So, this is a class. Class here it is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 100. Okay. Frequency. What are the frequencies? 7, P, 10, 9, 30. These are the frequencies. Now find the mid value. How to find mid value? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 0 to 20. 0 plus 20, 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. 20 to 40, you get 30. 40 to 60, 50. 60 to 80, 70. 80 to 100, 90. Okay. Now the fx values multiplying 7 into 10, 70. P into 30 is 30p. 10 into 50, 500. 9 into 70, 630. 13 into 90, you get 1170. Now find summation F. Sigma F is equal to 7 plus 10, 17 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 13 is 39. 39 plus P. Okay. Sigma Fx. When you add this, you will be getting 2370 plus 30p. How to find mean? We have mean is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. This is the formula. We already know what mean is. Here mean is given 54. So 54 is equal to sigma fx 2370 plus 30p divided by here 39 plus p. Okay. Next step, taking this denominator to the opposite side. 54 into 39 plus p is equal to 2370 plus 30p. Multiplying 54 into 39, you will be getting 2106 plus 54p is equal to 2370 plus 30p. Now take all the p containing terms to one side. 54p minus 30p plus 30p becomes minus 30p is equal to 2370 minus 2106. Okay. On subtracting, what do we get? 2370 minus 2106 is equal to 264. 54p minus 30p is 24p. Then p will be equal to 264 divided by 24. 264 by 24 will be equal to 24 into 11 is 264. So, the final answer is 11. The required value of p is equal to 11. Okay. Frequency for 20 to 40 class interval will be equal to 11. Okay. Next, problem number 6, question 9 of exercise 24B. The mean of the following distribution is 62.8 and the sum of all the frequencies is 50. Find the missing frequencies F1 and F2. So class and frequencies are given. Class 0 to 20, the frequency is 5. 20 to 40, F1. 40 to 60, 10. 60 to 80, F2. 80 to 100, 7. And 100 to 120, it is 8. Okay. We have the class and frequency. Let's construct the table. Here in the table, we will be having class, frequency, mid-value, and then find the product of frequency and mid-value. Okay. The class, first class, it is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, and then 100 to 120. Okay. Corresponding frequencies are first class, it is 5, then F1, 10, F2, 7, 8. Okay. Next, mid-value, 0 to 20. What is the mid-value? 0 plus 20 divided by 2. You will be getting 10. 20 to 40, 30. 40 to 60, 50. 60 to 80, 70. 80 to 100, 90. And 100 to 120, 110. Okay. Next is frequency into the mid-value. 5 into 10, 50. F1 into 30 is 30 F1. 10 into 50, you get 500. F2 into 70, 70 F2. 7 into 90, that is 630. 8 into 110, 880. Okay. Next, we need summation of Fx equal to. On adding all these, you will be getting 2060 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2. What about the sum of frequencies? 5 plus 10, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. Okay. So, summation of F is equal to 30 plus F1 plus F2. Now, what is given in the question? The total sum of all the frequencies is equal to 50, which means summation F is equal to 50. Here we have summation F, that is 30 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 50. If 30 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 50, we can write F1 plus F2 equal to 50 minus 30. And then F1 plus F2 is equal to, what is 50 minus 30? 20. Okay. F1 plus F2 is equal to 20. This is our first equation. Now what is given? The mean is given. Mean is equal to 62.8. What is mean? Mean value, summation Fx divided by summation F is equal to 62.8. Okay, we have summation Fx here. What is summation Fx? 2060 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2 divided by summation F. So, sum of all frequencies is equal to 50. Okay. 50 is equal to 62.8. Next, taking this 50 to the opposite side, we will be having 2060 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2 is equal to 50 into 62.8. Okay. Now multiply 2060 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2. This is 5 into 628. You will be getting 3140. Okay. Then we will be having 30 F1 plus 70 F2 is equal to 3140 minus 2060. 30 F1 plus 70 F2 is equal to, on subtracting this you will be getting 1080. 1080. Okay. From all these I am removing a 10 so that I can cancel. This is 10 into 3 F1 plus 7 F2 and that is equal to 108 into 10. This 10 and this 10 can be removed. So calculation becomes easier. 3 F1 plus 7 F2 is equal to 108. 3f1 plus 7f2 is equal to 108. So this is our second equation. Okay. Now on comparing the first equation, f1 plus f2 is equal to 20 and the second equation 3f1 plus 7f2 is equal to 108, we can find the values of f1 and f2. From the first equation, equation 1, you will be having f1 is equal to 20 minus f2. We can write f1 as 20 minus f2. Now substituting this f1 value in the second equation, 3 into 20 minus f2 plus 7 f2 is equal to 108. Removing the brackets and multiplying, 3 into 20 is 60 minus 3 f2 plus 7 f2 is equal to 108. Okay, that is 60 minus 3 f2 plus 7 f2 is plus 4 f2. Plus 4 f2 is equal to 108. Then we can write 4 f2 is equal to 108 minus 60. 108 minus 60 is 48. 4 f2 is equal to 48, which implies f2 is equal to 48 divided by 4 and that is equal to 12. Okay, f2 is equal to 12. Next we need to find the value of f1. We have f1 is equal to 20 minus f2. f1 is equal to 20 minus f2. f1 is equal to 20 minus f2 is 12. 12, then f1 is equal to 20 minus 12 is 8. Okay, so we got f1 is equal to 8 and f2 is equal to 12. So these are the values of f1 and f2. Clear? That's all for today. In today's class, we have discussed how to find the mean of group data using direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. Hope you all enjoyed this session. We have solved many questions from exercise 24B. I'll be back in the next session. Until then, stay tuned to LearnoHub. LearnoHub free hai, par best hai. Thank you.